have the wind, okay, they're blocking wind of number 3. What's going on, guys? Captain Harley here with How To Boating. We're going to go over rule number 12, which all involves sailing vessels. So this is going to be for you sailors out there. When two sailing vessels are approaching one another, here I have a drawn 3, as to involve risk of collision, which one keeps out of the way as the other? So the first one states, when each has the wind on a different side, so we'll look at number 1 and number 2, the vessel which has a wind on the port side shall keep out of the way of the other. So this one is the give way, all right, and this one is stand on. We're not looking at 3, okay? We're looking at only 1 and 2. Okay, so number 2 says, when both have the wind on the same side, the vessel which is to windward shall keep out of the way of the vessel which is to the leeward. And the reason for that is because they have the wind, okay? They're blocking wind of number 3. They have more steerage than number 3 does. So number 3 is actually going to be the stand on. And this one turns into the give way. If a vessel with the wind on the port side sees a vessel to windward and cannot determine with certainty whether the other vessel has the wind on the port or starboard side, so we'll say it's directly into the wind, she shall keep out of the way of the other. So this turns into the giveaway vessel of a vessel here, which they can't tell where it is, but they're going to be on the windward side.